Man, I wish I could make money in the stock market too, but I can't because I work full time. Sounds familiar? What if I told you that you can trade from the comfort of your home and generate income in less than 30 days without being a full-time trader? Trust me, you're not going to want to miss this. But first, to stay up to date on how to make money trading and investing like the pros, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I post videos weekly. Over the years, I've taught many students, just like you, how to generate real income with the style of trading that we're going to discuss today. Now it's your turn. The style of trading that myself and my students use to make money in the stock market is called swing trading. Now, traditionally, when people talk about stock investing, they're talking about buying and holding stocks for years and decades before they cash out. Or you might be familiar with day trading, which is high paced and requires you to be staring at computer screens all day so that you don't miss out on profiting within minutes to hours at a time. Well, swing trading is different in that you are typically only in a trade from days to weeks or even months, which allow you to manage real life while trading part-time. The ups and downs throughout the day doesn't cause you to stress because you're trading longer term time frames than day traders do. Checking on your position once per day is good enough for most swing traders. In fact, we're usually taking profits from 2 to 5 days on average, which is how we generate weekly income. Now, if this is something that you can see yourself doing, drop a thumbs up in the comments below. As you can see, swing trading is super ideal for someone who works full-time because of its low maintenance nature. It's a great alternative to a traditional part-time job. You don't have to move to New York and work on Wall Street. And really, since you're watching this video, you have a computer and internet access, so you're already halfway there to getting started. Now, I won't mislead you to thinking that learning to trade is not a skill set you must build. I'm here to tell you that with dedication and a great mentor, anyone can learn how to generate income in the stock market without becoming a full-time trader. Now, this is all great, but what if you're pulled in so many different directions that you don't know where to start? Well, I've written a free book that tells you exactly how to get started with stock options trading for beginners. All you got to do is click the link in the bio or the description to get your free copy today. Also, if you want to join a community of traders that started exactly where you are, we have a private community of experienced traders where we share real-time trades and stock market sensitive information to help you navigate this ever-changing stock market. Check out these videos next to see how we get down at Wall Street Jack Boys. And if you like this video, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. Peace.